We are at Lujan Motorsports down in Miami installing the third Gen 6 3-liter supercharger kit on a 2024 Mustang. This is our Dark Horse in blue ember. All right, well, let's go take it for a spin and do some burnouts. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house. It's another beautiful day down here in sunny South Florida. We are at Lujan Motorsports down in Miami installing the third Gen 6 3-liter supercharger kit on a 2024 Mustang. This is our Dark Horse in blue ember. Now, this isn't an ordinary Whipple Stage 2 setup. This is the Lethal Edition, and we're going to show you exactly what differentiates it from the Whipple Stage 2 setup and exactly why you're going to want it on your car. So let's go ahead and get started with the install and hang out with Willie. This is exciting, man. Like I said, this is the third Whipple supercharger setup that we're installing on an S650. I don't know if I got any Wu-Tang fans out there. The original album, Enter the 36 Chambers. Well, guess what? Again and again and again, we're doing it. Let's roll. Got that custom Lethal lid. Whipple Superchargers, Team Lethal, going on the car. Woo, yeah. About to flash our S650 with the Whipple Tomahawk flash tool. We've already downloaded the REQ file off the vehicle, sent that file off to Whipple. They built our calibration, emailed it back to us, where we loaded it onto the device with the SD card, and now we're going to plug it into the vehicle and follow the prompts on how to flash the car. We've already flashed our blue car with it, we flashed Mike's Street Speed's car with it, and now we're going to flash our Dark Horse. It's very easy, just plug it in, follow the prompts. Even a Mustang King can do it. Right there. Loading up, doing its thing.
Update.
Yep. Whipple S650 SE programming. Enter. Programming. Software update. Enter. There we go. The magic happens. We're going through the process here, guys. The final countdown. I will note that I see that Willie is prepared like always and already has a tender on the battery. It is definitely a good idea to keep a tender on the battery when flashing the car, because the last thing you want happening is basically it dying in the middle of a flash, and it'll most likely brick your PCM or lock it up and cause problems. So put a tender on the battery while you're flashing for safety reasons. Nice, nice. And just like that, sure to make the horsepower. Horsepower, baby! All right, everyone, the car is finished up. We flashed it, we've got it running. Angry Tom approves, right? Yeah? Good. All right, well, let's go take it for a spin and do some burnouts. The last piece of the puzzle, you can see Willie's got the back seat out of the car. we're going to be installing the Lethal Performance fuel pump voltage booster. This is a plug-and-play setup, just requires a little bit of trimming on the factory connector on the FPDM. Use this harness, plug it in, get you more voltage to your factory pump to support more power, and it is included in all of the Lethal Edition Stage 2 kits for the 24-and-up Mustang, GT, and Dark Horse. Famous burnout. Should be exciting. Oh, holy shit. And there we have it, guys. Another Stage 2 Gen 6 3-liter Whipple Supercharged 2024 Mustang Dark Horse on the streets. Willie Lujan over at Lujan Motorsports killed it with the install. The guy does such an amazing job. I want to give a big shout out to Whipple Superchargers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. We've got AWE Catback on here as well. Thank you, AWE, and everyone else involved, guys. I hope everyone liked the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment below. Let us know what you think about the car. You can definitely stay tuned for a lot more content from this car. We'll be headed off to the dyno and then to the drag strip to show you guys some performance numbers. Make sure not to miss out. Right now, the Team Lethal Mustang giveaway is going on. Head on over to lethalperformance.com. Every dollar you spend gains you an entry, and at May 31st, the contest ends. Make sure to head over to lethalperformance.com for all of the official rules and details of the giveaway. And if you guys have any questions, reach out to us at 561-753-8105. I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here. Here we are again, Team Lethal fans. We're down at Palm Beach Dyno in Boynton Beach, Florida. Behind me is our 2024 Dark Horse with the Gen 6 3-liter Stage 2 Whipple Supercharger kit on it, installed freshly yesterday by my man, Willie Lujan of Lujan Motorsports. It was a quick and easy day, went on just fine, and now we're at the dyno to repeat results that we've done on several other S650s with the Whipple car on it. So, strapped down to the dyno, we've got 93 octane in there. This car has a factory manifolds and cats on it. The only upgrade on the vehicle is an AWE switch path catback exhaust system. We've got 93 octane in the tank. Let's do it! Now, as you guys know, this isn't our first Whipple charged S650 on the dyno here at Palm Beach Dyno. We've had our blue car, which was a manual car. We've also had Igor's car on here, which is a Dark Horse with a 10-speed as well. That had 100% factory exhaust on it, not even a catback, no H-pipe or nothing like that. That car made 755 wheel horsepower and 605 foot-pounds of torque on 93 octane. So let's see if we can repeat those results today. Time to add some octane booster in there and see what it does with a little more octane. That's insane, bro. That's ridiculous, dude. Still with a 375 pulley. Just a little bit of octane, man. That's incredible.
FK octane boost, almost 60 horsepower.
That is unbelievable, man. Look at that. Again.
Smooth as butter, too.
Fire, man. Whipple's got it down. Dude, that's crazy, man. It's unbelievable how much octane makes a difference. But, I mean, listen. 735, our car, Igor's car is 755. On a stock car?
Yeah, it's hot in here. It's 88 degrees. When we did Igor's car, it was definitely cooler. It was at night.
That's insane, man.
Yeah.
791. Wow. Once again, Unbelievable results with the Stage 2 Whipple Supercharger kit on our 2024 Dark Horse. Look at this, guys. 734 wheel horsepower, 597 foot-pounds of torque on 93 octane pump gas. We actually filled up on the way down here at the Chevron station on 441 and Lake Worth Road. There you have it. Drove right down here. Car really didn't have much of a cool down period to it. Afterwards, we made 791 wheel horsepower, 619 foot-pounds of torque, same 3.75 inch pulley. Stock cats, stock manifolds. The only modification to this car other than the Whipple Stage 2 kit is the AWE switch path catback exhaust. But these are the results. I don't know how many times we got to do this over and over and over again. This stuff is real, guys. We're doing it. There you have it. It's that simple. We did it. I mean, how many cars have we had on here doing this with the Whipple Supercharger? 3 so far, and we've got more coming to you guys. Again, kudos to Whipple Superchargers for such an amazing kit and their calibration. Shout out to Ken Bionis over here at Palm Beach Dyno for letting us use the dyno and all the testing. Big shout out to Willie Lujan, the Wizard, for the installation, and again, AWE for the catback system. You guys have any questions about the Whipple Supercharger kit, any parts for your 2024 Mustang or Dark Horse, or any parts for any car that you have, feel free to reach out to us at 561-753-8105 and visit lethalperformance.com for all your aftermarket parts and accessory needs. I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here. Woo! How many cars have it been? Three cars?